We got hit with a heat wave, so I thought it'd be the perfect time to test out a new slushie machine from Ecoviva. It has a lot of cool options. Everything from wine to frappes, and so far, I really like it. And this slushie maker comes shipped to your door, ready to make you some cool drinks as well. Inside the box, you have your user guide, a drip tray, a handle, and then your slushie maker. Place the handle on the slushie maker, remove the protective tape, slide in the drip tray, plug it in, and it's ready to go. It comes with an 88-ounce tank. It's easy to remove and clean, as well as set up. Slide it in, and turn the handle to lock it down. On top, there's a slot you can open to pour in your liquids. Then in the front, you have a touchscreen menu. Power it on, and then you can adjust the thickness. And after you power it on, you have the choice of making slushies, frappes, milkshakes, spiked slushies, and even chilled wine. Select the one you want, pour in your ingredients, and then click Start. The slushie maker churns your ingredients until it starts freezing and thickening up. It works quickly too. In under 15 minutes, your drink is fully slushified and ready to be poured. First, I made a frappe. Normally you'd blend it with ice. And you can't put solid ingredients in this, so I just put in the frappe mix. And when I pulled the lever to pour it, it came out really thick, but it still tasted good, especially as it melted down. But I later learned that you can add some water to thin it out a little bit. The consistency is much better too. Then I made some margaritas. I poured in a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and then topped it off with water. And you can really tell a difference in the thickness already. And when it's finished, it'll beep letting you know it's done, and switch to the cool setting. This keeps your slushie ready to pour as long as you have ingredients inside. We had heat advisory warnings this day, and having frozen margaritas to cool me down was a game changer. I did the perfect pour, and then drank it out my desk while I got some work done. Then did another pour, and drank it while I was out working on the farm. It tasted great, and kept me cool, so I'm happy. I just love the texture of those margaritas too. It comes out perfect. And if that's not enough, the slushie maker comes complete with a self-cleaning feature, and even a delayed start feature, so you can have it ready for you when you get home. Overall, I'm really impressed, and have no complaints. So if you're looking for a way to cool down, and want a nice slushie maker, this one from Ecoviva might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go pour another margarita. See ya.